Consider an analogy. You are the lifeguard on a big beach, sitting in your lifeguard stand, watching all your students in the water, not really knowing if they are struggling to access your content. Most are doing fine, some may be struggling, and some may be drowning. With Ally, you get help. You get binoculars, which come in the form of a small gauge next to your content to show how accessible your files are. You get a life-saving manual, which comes in the form of an Ally report, which gives you tips and solutions on how to make those files more accessible. Those are tools that you can use to be proactive. But even better than that, the students are automatically provided with multiple file formats: a rescue tube, a paddleboard, a buoy, a whistle. These represent file formats that are automatically created by Ally, so students have a choice on how they access your content.